Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video we are going to solve this problem and how we can download and install Windows 11 from Microsoft official website and how to solve this problem. Today I wanted to download and install Windows 11 for my computer uh, and I'm faced with this problem. This PC does not meet the minimum system requirement to install Windows 11. PC Health Checker says this PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. The processor is not currently supported for Windows 11. So now I want to show you how to solve this problem and how to download and install Windows 11 for free from Microsoft official website. Just close this and close this, also close this, and come on to Microsoft official website and leave the first link download now and come on to third one. Okay, select download Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for 64 device. Select this one and after selecting click on download now. Validating your request. Okay, now just here select your language. Just after selecting your language click and confirm. Okay, now click and download 64-bit. Download started. When this download completed, just simple open this and click on setup file and select installation and you will be get Windows 11 in your PC. Thank you for watching.